Hi everyone, I'm Soma Leisharam. With much excitement, I on behalf of Dewdrops brings you the 8th season of Ringui's Got Talent, a state-level talent hunt, which is going to be held on 3rd and 4th of March 2023. Ringui's Got Talent is open to all passionate and ambitious individuals and groups of any age group from the walks of life in the state of Manipur. Audition will be held on 25th February at Ukhrul at Mazui Theatre Multipurpose Hall, Phungreitang, and Imphal audition will be held on 19th February at Imphal Hotel. Winner will be awarded with the cash prize of 1 lakh, first runners-up 50,000 and second runners-up 30,000. RGT vouched for bringing all the people together for peace and social harmony through art. So guys, what are you waiting for? Register now and join the biggest talent hunt competition in Manipur and make your dream turn into reality. I'll be one of the judges, so good luck everyone and see you there.